guys, the first reason why your face could be going darker than your rest of your body is because you don't use a sunscreen. Okay, using a sunscreen is really important, especially in this part of the world where there is a lot of sun, because the skin on your face produces like a lot of melanin, and this melanin, sometimes when you go out in the sun without a sun protection or like sunscreen, you find that your face, this like sun, the UV rays in the sun actually kind of penetrates your skin layers and causes your face to like go a bit darker, because your facial skin produces more melanin than the rest of your body. So when you keep going out in the sun and you go out a lot in the sun without using some sort of skin sun protection, you find that your skin over time becomes darker than the rest of your body. And it's not like the rest of your body is not affected by the sun, but naturally now, because you cover up your body with clothes and like they are not as exposed to the sun, they just tend to be much lighter than the rest of your face that is always exposed to the sun. A lot of times we find that these UV rays from the sun always come directly to our face, and this is one of the major reasons why you find that no matter what products you're using, as long as you're not using a good sunscreen, your face will always be darker than the rest of your body, because your face is actually just like receiving most of the sun. Like every time you go out, you wear clothes. Just imagine it now. Every time you go out, you wear clothes, but your face is not covered. Your face is bare. You go out and the sun always comes directly on top, just straight to your face. These UV rays keep penetrating into your skin layers, and eventually this is what causes your skin to over time just become much darker than the rest of your body. So perhaps if you're using a good sunscreen, you can actually just protect your skin from the sun and actually reduce the amount of exposure to sun that you give your skin, and this in turn will actually help your face to not get so much darker than the rest of your body. But if you keep going out, no matter the skincare products that you're using, no matter how much effort you're putting into your skincare, a good sunscreen is actually what helps your face to not always go darker than the rest of your body. So if you're not using a good sunscreen, I would really recommend that you try and get one. I know that things are hard, like the economy is bad, there is no money and all that, but please, if you can, just try and save up a little bit so that you can get a good sunscreen to protect your skin, because no matter what you want to do, if you're not having a good sunscreen, the sun will always be affecting your face, and over time your face will just keep getting darker and darker. Next reason why your face might actually be going darker than the rest of your body is because you use your body scrub on your face. Okay, these body scrubs are sometimes not meant for your face. Not even sometimes, most of the time your body scrub is not meant to be used on your face, because body scrubs that contain something like sugar and salt particles, they actually cause irritation when used on the face. Okay, when you take your body scrub that is meant to be scrubbed on your body, the skin on your face is actually much more tender than that on your body. So when you take this body scrub, for instance, that is meant for your body exfoliation and use it on your face, you just cause your skin to go much more irritated than it needs to go. Okay, so when you at the point, your skin will just begin to react and eventually causes your skin to go darker. Like for instance, this is my body scrub that I use, and it's actually a salt scrub. Okay, so if you look at this thing now, the particles of this thing are actually very rough. I don't know if you guys can hear that sound. Like if you can even like hear the way it sounds, like all these things are not things that your face needs. If you take this body scrub right now and you're like start applying it, if you can actually hear that is what happens eventually when you begin to use a salt scrub on your face, because you find that this salt eventually, or like a sugar particle, it causes micro tears on your skin. These micro tears, even though you might not be able to see it with your physical eyes because they're very tiny, it just causes you like tiny injuries on your face, and eventually now your face will react and your face will just begin to like maybe get darker. Imagine when you now use this on top of maybe like broken skin or like acne that you have on your face. This thing will now like go over your acne and just like really irritate the skin on your face. So honestly, I would recommend that if you use a body scrub that has salt in it or sugar particles, please don't use it on your face. Okay, it is not advisable. Rather, look into getting like a chemical exfoliant. Okay, a chemical exfoliant is just any product that has salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or niacinamide, retinoids, and all that. Okay, this will just gently exfoliate your face without being like very very rough on your skin. Okay, something like Balmer Skin Success complexion toner, it contains salicylic acid, and this is a chemical exfoliant that will just begin to like remove dead skin cells from your face without being too rough. Okay, like if you guys can even see, look at this place that I applied the salt scrub on my face, like it's already even going red. Like if you look at my face right now, like it's a bit irritated already from that salt scrub that I applied. Like my face is red already. Like just imagine when you do this like on a regular basis, like you're always using a salt scrub on your face, your face will just automatically begin to like change color, and over time you will see the effect because your face and your body will not be the same color. So I highly advise that you actually just look into getting like either a toner that contains salicylic acid or a glycolic acid toner like the ordinary glycolic acid. I'll put a picture here, and then or you can also, but I must warn you before you use the glycolic acid that if you have sensitive skin, I would not actually advise this. But excuse me. But honestly, before you use a toner, make sure that it has like these ingredients. And if your skin is sensitive, like you have sensitive skin, please be mindful of using glycolic acid on your face. But honestly, any product with salicylic acid or like a retinoid and the rest, niacinamide, the ordinary niacinamide or something like that, will really help you to like gently exfoliate your skin without being too rough. Because like as I'm even feeling my face right now, this place that I used the salt scrub is very very like irritated, and I can still feel the effects of those like salt on my skin. So these things cause you micro tears, like tiny tears on your face that eventually your face will begin to react to and cause you to go darker than the rest of your body. The major reason that you could be having a darker face than the rest of your body is because you use your body lotion on your face. Okay, your body lotion is not actually meant to be used on your face. The formulation of your body lotion is meant for your body and not your face. You would need a totally different moisturizer or a totally different product for you to properly moisturize your face. So I recommend that you don't use your body lotion that is meant for your body on your face, because this is another reason why your face could be going darker than the rest of your body. You could have like a brighter body, but your face is almost like darker, like 2 shades darker than the rest of your body. So if you are using your body lotion on your face, I don't recommend this. Please try and get something like a good face cream to like combat this darkness that your face is facing right now. Like you can just get a good face cream and avoid using your body cream on your face. So another reason that you could be having like darker face than the rest of your body is because you're using maybe skin bleaching products or like products that whiten your skin over time. So when you start using a moisturizer that has like a bleaching ingredients like mercury or like hydroquinone or something like that, after a while you find that you're glowing, you're looking nice, your skin is bright and you're looking sharp. But over time, what you find is that when you begin to go out in the sun, this product, this bleaching ingredients makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. Okay, this sensitivity to the sun is what will now cause the sun to now start darkening you over time. If you've been using a bleaching ingredient, for instance, like a moisturizer that has like a bleaching ingredients like mercury or something like that, or hydroquinone, like over time you'll be glowing. The first month you'll be looking nice, you'll be looking bright, but when you begin to go out into the sun, this bleaching ingredient just increases your skin's sensitivity to the sun, and you know it's almost impossible to avoid the sun in this part of the world. So like you go out today and the sun shines on your face, over time your face will just begin to like go really darker. Like the sun will now focus more on that area that you're trying to lighten or that has been lightened by all these products, and like just begin to have the reverse effect on that area of your face. So if you are using like a bleaching product, I recommend that you don't use a bleaching product. Just get a good moisturizer that will like help your face. There are many moisturizers in the market that will help your face without actually bleaching you, because these bleaching ingredients, they are not safe. Okay, and you have to be careful of what you put on your face, on your body, because a lot of times this thing will have like an adverse effect on you. So another major reason why someone could be having a darker skin tone than the rest of their body is because you're having hormonal imbalance. Okay, sometimes it's not just from the outer part of your body that you're having darker face. Sometimes you need to treat the root cause of your issues. Okay, if you're having hormonal imbalance, then you need to maybe see a doctor or see a medical personnel to really understand what is happening with your skin and why exactly your skin is becoming much darker than the rest of your body. Because sometimes during pregnancy, increase in estrogen levels in the body can cause your face and can cause your face to go really darker than the rest of your body. And if such a thing happens, perhaps it's just best to like continue your normal skin routine and like look into just continuing your skincare. But if you're not pregnant, or if you're not like in any of those situations like pregnancy and the rest, and you're having like hormonal imbalance, then you definitely need to see a doctor to really understand what is going on with your skin and why your skin is becoming irritated enough to go darker than the rest of your body. So another tip I would give you guys is actually to just cut down on your sugar intake. Sugar has a lot of adverse effects on the body. Sugar will cause you to age faster than you need to. Your skin will just be like aging faster if you are taking a lot of sugary products, all these drinks and the rest, and anything that makes you consume sugar a lot. You find that it begins to age a lot faster than you should. So if you are looking to prevent your skin from going much darker, your facial skin from going much darker than the rest of your body, then I highly recommend that you begin to like eat more healthy fruits, vegetables, take a lot more of water, avoid sugar intake. Excessive sugar intake is not good, and honestly it has more disadvantages than advantages to your body. If you can cut down your sugar intake, this will really go a long way to helping you manage your skin much. If you can cut down on your sugar intake and like take more healthy food, healthy drinks, like take more water and the rest, you find that your skin will begin to glow naturally from the inside, so out. If your skin is already like, if your face is already much darker than the rest of your body, and you're just looking for a good way to like reverse the effects of whatever caused your own facial darkness, I feel you can try the Koji San soap. I'm going to put it here, but you should be careful while using the soap, and also ensure that you don't use it every day, but more importantly, you use it with a good sunscreen. All these things I've said, all these things I've talked about here, the point of it is that sunscreen is important, and if you're using sunscreen, it will really go a long way in helping your skin recover from exposure to sun. And exposure to sun is actually the major thing that causes this skin darkening, this facial skin darkening. Okay, so even though you might be like guilty of some of the things I've said here, exposure to sun, if you're not using sunscreen, honestly I implore you to look into how to get a good sunscreen. Because even if even if your products are good, no matter how good your products are, if you're not using sunscreen, it's almost like it's wasted effort. Because you would use all these good products and you would go outside in the sun, and the sun will just like darken your face, and you come back in and you still use good products again. Like, a good sunscreen is just the best way to seal in good skincare. Okay, so no matter what you want to say, without sunscreen, your facial skin will always be going darker than the rest of your body. So I really implore you to try. I know things are hard, but sunscreen is a really important product to have. So this Koji San soap, back to this Koji San soap. If you want to use it, I recommend I use it maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and then make sure you continue with a good sunscreen. In the end, it is natural that you find that your body is like, your face can go darker than the rest of your body, because we are black people, and this is some of the things that melanin causes. But it's not a bad thing, and you can always figure out your own skincare. So sunscreen is important. And with that, I think I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It really makes me know that you like these videos I make, and it helps me know what kind of videos to make more for you guys. So give this video a thumbs up if you like something like this, and let me know in the comments if any of these reasons are why your face is going darker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.